And we are back with another look at the flood-ravaged area. We're going to get to that video in just a moment. But first, we are here in Studio B, where we have a phone bank set up. Channel 2 is teaming up with the Greater Houston Area chapter of the American Red Cross to help out the flood victims. We're hosting a phone bank right now until 1 o'clock this afternoon. Again, the need is so great. Joining us now is Daryl Hayes. Daryl, thank you so much for being here. You do such remarkable work, the American Red Cross. Anytime there's a disaster or a crisis here locally, you and your volunteers are always here to help. Talk about the need to help out the flood victims this go around.
Yes, there's a great need right now. We have over 1,000 homes flooded. We're opening 12 shelters. We should have 15 shelters open by the end of the day today. So cash donations are greatly appreciated and very much needed so we can help feed, provide shelter, provide immediate basic needs for individuals who've been affected by this flood.
I think one of the things that a lot of people think about before they decide to pick up the phone and call, does it all stay locally?
Yes, all money raised for this disaster will stay right here in the Houston market and help the Houston residents.
And how are you in terms of volunteers? I know there are several shelters set up, not just here in the Houston area, Harris County, but you have shelters in Austin County and Montgomery County as well.
Yeah, as the number of displaced members of our community continues to grow, we constantly need more shelter volunteers, more volunteers to assist us in our disaster response. They can go to our website, redcross.org, find out information about how to become a volunteer. We can get them trained quickly and get them out into the community.
And you and I both know the great thing about Houstonians. They always step up in a time of need. Houstonians are probably some of the most generous people on the planet.
Definitely. Houstonians are the best, and we need your help and your donations to help support our community at this time.
And how's the phone bank going so far?
Oh, it's going great. The phones are ringing. We just need to have people continue to call.
All right, Daryl, appreciate it. Best of luck with this phone bank.
Thank you.
And so many of you out there can make a difference. Just call 713-778-8920. Again, volunteers are standing by. They're accepting donations to help the families affected by these devastating floods. Again, they'll be here till 1 o'clock. We've already got one nice donation. Want to thank Sally Ballard out of the Woodlands. She donated $500. Again, one of the many Houstonians trying to make a difference. Stay with us. We'll be right back.